I'm Dwayne. I'm a technician on the Canon or Oce VarioPrint 6000 family of production printer. I'm going to go through and show just a few little things that operators can do, operator maintenance style things to keep your machine up and running. The first thing we're going to go over is how to get inside the engine. To do that, you're going to need to get your tools out. They come in a little cubby here. They actually have cutout slots. You have a D-style wrench, a 10mm driver, and for some of these things you're going to use heat-resistant gloves. These will all be inside this cubby right here. The next thing we're going to go over is replacing the cleaning web of your print guard modules. That's indicated by a maintenance request across the screen. Currently, that's not required on the maintenance screen, but I'm going to show you how to do it. When we did the oil rollers, it had the steps to do to replace those. This is going to be the same thing. You're going to see those steps again. You're going to replace those. So, once you get that to where it tells you to do it, you're going to come over, open up your print guard door. You're going to use the wrench. To loosen the screw that holds the print guard into place. Pull that unit out. Remove the screw on the plate. Take your plate off. Now your cleaning web sits right here. You've got a pinch tab on the front and on the rear. Pinch those together, lift this plate straight up and out. Now in this instance, this web is not quite due to be replaced, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. I like to try to set it on a surface I don't mind getting a little bit oily. The oil rollers have oil fed through them. This cleaning web is actually impregnated with oil. There's oil on the web now. You want to go ahead and have your cleaning web open. Ready for your new one here. Leave this wrapping on until you're done. This all comes off at the tail end. It actually tells you remove transport protection after mounting and cleaning set. So leave that on. You've got a pin that sits inside this roller here, locks it into place. It's actually got a spring attached to it. I'm going to lift this model up just a little. Pull this side loose. This is hot. Set that up and out of the way. It's hard to get a hold of and see it. You're going to pull your, this is the supply side. You've got a little spring on the front end. Pull that loose and it releases that tab. This is your pickup side. The pickup side has a gear on the back of it. Set this aside. You're going to take your new one, put the gear inside this hole on the back. You've got this side that has the spring lock on it pulled away. Rock it into place. For this little swivel shaft, and it goes on there. And the back side will lock in underneath this leaf spring. And then this will go into this shaft, just like that. Now your webbing is locked in place. And then you remove the transport cover. When the plastic wrap comes out, what you can do is go ahead and draw this up by turning the turning the gear just to get your web started. That's just drawing up any slack that may have caused while you were replacing the web. Pick the web unit up. You've got two little guides, one on the front, one on the rear. It matches up with these tabs on the front and on the rear. Slide the tabs into the guides, slide it down, then it locks into place and it won't come back out again. Put your plate back on. Tighten your plate down. Close your print unit up. Screw that one in and close your door. That's the print guard number 1 on the left side. Just looking at how low that one was, I am going to go ahead and replace the one on the right. Again, same deal. And then you're going to tighten back up the fusing unit in the machine. Make sure that's in. And then close the front door. And now you've replaced the cleaning webs on both print guard 1 and print guard 2. And that is the end of the replacing on the cleaning webs. Again, if you're indicated on the machine, just like with your oil rollers, you will have gone through here, selected next, next, next. You'll get to the end of that message and it will tell you or ask you, did you replace new cleaning webs? You tell it yes with new, and it will reset the counters on those webs as well. Tell it to finish, then you'll hit stop out of maintenance. If your machine was already down or at least asleep, it will start to initialize. Because we did this while the machine was awake and ready, it's just already at ready. Then you're ready to go back to printing. You take care of your machine's going to take care of you. I'm Dwayne. Have a nice day.